Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those who are returning, for those who are here for the first time, welcome. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel, share my channel, or leave a comment. I'm actually coming today because it's been a minute and I know most of my subscribers are like, oh, where have you been? I took a little bit of time off. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on, as you all know. And so my schedule kind of changed to accommodate some family issues and just things, just to make sure everything and everybody was properly taken care of. So that was one of the reasons why I haven't been available or haven't been around or haven't put up a video in a while. You all know and understand, at least I hope you do, that it's necessary to make changes with all the changes that are going on. So I appreciate all of you that understand, and I'm back. So I want to take the time and just give a shout out, give kudos, give recognition, give a big thank you for our EMTs, for our medical staff that are working tirelessly around the clock to try and keep those that are being admitted to hospitals as comfortable as possible, help them with recovery, just all the necessary steps that are required to help ward off this disease that we're experiencing. And not only the nurses, the doctors, but everyone, the dietitian, the janitorial services that are there, the security guards that are on the premises, any and everybody that's helping to make this process go as smooth as possible, who are putting their lives on the line on a daily basis to try and protect us from further spreading. I appreciate them and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do. I know it's a tough decision every day to go out there, but you do it, and we just can't thank you enough. So what we can do to show our appreciation, our thanks, is to do whatever we can on our end to keep this from going any further or spreading. So I recommend, and this is what I've been doing in my house and my family members, we've been wearing our masks, we've been wearing our gloves every time we walk out the door. Every time we walk out the door. And it's not just my household. My neighbors, you go to the store, everyone. This is the new norm. You rocking the mask and you rocking your gloves. For real though, that's what we can do. I mean, we say thank you to all the medical staff that's out there working tirelessly, but we have a role to play too. We want to show our appreciation. Let's do what we can on our end. The gloves, the scarves, the mask. Staying in as much as possible, only going out when necessary. Having one designated person go out and do whatever is needed for the household. Again, staying 6 to 8 feet away from each other to keep from contagious spreading, whatever the case may be. This is what the CDC is asking us to do, and to help get this thing under control and try and move our lives back to some type of normality. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. I know it's tough. I mean, I've seen some people like rolling their eyes. Okay, you go ahead and roll your eyes all you want. Listen, this is the thing to do. This is the thing you do. And some people, reality don't hit until it actually hits home. Then that's the wake up call. I'm trying to do preventive measures in my household, and others are trying to do the same thing. And if we want to help the medical staff to lighten their load, we have to do our part too. So that's what I was here to chat about today. I've been on a kind of a hiatus for a little bit. I know the last time we talked, I think we had just completed week 3 or week 4 of workout. A lot of stuff has changed. I'm not saying don't work out because it's necessary, but wherever you can and when you can, get your workout in. That's all I can say right now, because stuff is constantly changing. Where we can go, when we can't go, where we can go, where we can't go, when we can be there, the parks and all that kind of stuff. Only a certain amount of people in the park at a time. Going for walks, got to be across the street from each other. It's just a whole lot. So I get it. Get it in where you can. That's what I'm doing. But in the meantime, if we really love and care about our medical staff, let's just do what we can on our behalf to keep this stuff from spreading. So again, please wear your gloves. Please wear your mask. Please keep yourself distant from each other, the allotted amount, whether 6 feet, 8 feet, whatever is necessary to keep from passing it on, and just try and stay as healthy as you can for each other. If you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for your loved ones. I just cannot stress this enough. I appreciate you guys, and I hope everyone is being healthy and taking care of themselves and is just being safe. That's the new slogan now. Listen, be safe. And it's the reality that we're dealing with right now. Be safe. I love you guys. I appreciate you stopping by my channel. Today's topic was, be safe. And appreciation to our medical staff and all the ones that are out there on the front line. From security guys, like I said, from security that's out there in the hospitals and other places, nursing homes, convalescent homes, medical facilities, wherever, to dieticians, on staff, to janitorial staff, to laundry staff. All these people help make this process work, and we just cannot only count on one, we count them all. So again, this is Let's Chat. And I appreciate you all for stopping by my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Feel free to leave a comment. And it's so good to be back out here talking with you guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. You all be blessed. Stay safe.